Hello guys, welcome to Step by Step Crypto, your favorite crypto channel. Here, we take you step by step towards a deeper understanding of the crypto world. I am your host, and today we are going to learn about Pancakeswap and the factors that make Pancakeswap unique. Besides, we will go through initial farm offerings too. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, some of you might joke around the name of the exchange, but despite this comical name, Pancakeswap is no joke. It is one of the most popular decentralized apps of all time. It is known to clock almost $100 million in 24-hour trading volume. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. The Pancakeswap, or Cake, was introduced just around a year ago, but has quickly become the largest automated cryptocurrency liquidity pool. Pancakeswap users have staked in digital wallets over $5.6 billion on this decentralized exchange, or DEX, compared to a market value of just $4.9 billion. This shows that the token addresses a deal when contrasted with peers, which has a complete value locked, TVL, a proportion of how much a stake is worth, which surpasses its market cap by 3.3 times, which is just crazy. By far the most popular decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain, Pancakeswap has become a phenomenon of sorts in the blockchain space in recent months. The platform is designed to enable users to securely trade Binance Coin and a huge amount of BEP20 tokens without relying on centralized services or losing control over their private keys. As a decentralized trade, all exchanges on Pancakeswap are naturally executed utilizing smart agreements, which wipes out counterparty hazards. Since its launch in September 2020, the platform has seen a dramatic increase not only in the number of users and liquidity of supported assets, but also in the variety of features it offers. Pancakeswap would now be able to call itself the overall ecosystem of DeFi apparatuses, and all the working around the platform's utility token, Cake, on which we'll come back later. But now that we know what Pancakeswap is, let's see how Pancakeswap works. So Pancakeswap is a DEX type known as Automatic Market Maker. This means there is no order book, bid or ask the system, or limit or market orders. All things being equal, clients who exchange on the stage consequently get liquidity from at least one pool of liquidity, which are then re-established upon culmination of the exchange. AMM exchanges like Pancakeswap take away liquidity from one side of the pool and add liquidity to the next, in this way changing loads of resources in that pool and their relative qualities. This liquidity is contributed by clients known as liquidity providers, who add equivalent qualities to the two sides of the liquidity pool to expand the aggregate sum of liquidity accessible. Clients get LP tokens that address their stake in that specific pool. These tokens should be returned to accept their portion in the pool. In exchange for providing liquidity, LPs receive a portion of the transaction fees generated by any pools they contribute. There is a flat transaction fee of 0.25% for producers and recipients, most of which is split between liquidity providers. As a decentralized application, Pancakeswap is usually available through a supported Web3 wallet. But why should we use Pancakeswap? First, it is impossible to talk about Pancakeswap without mentioning its main competitor and biggest competitor, Uniswap, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Uniswap, although more seasoned and more settled, likewise experiences ongoing stagnation in the Ethereum organization. Ethereum blockchain expenses are rising day by day, and with these flooding gas charges on the other hand, Pancakeswap does not offer from these problems because it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Its commission is less than 0.2% for users who use liquidity in their pools. Also, these fees are not paid on the air. This allows traders and investors to make more transactions and generate higher profits. These are all great things for token price action. Another plus point over Binance Chain is that it allows staking. Now, for those who are unaware, staking, or the process of placing tokens to help verify transactions on the blockchain or provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, is one of the key passive income opportunities for crypto investors. Through staking, investors can earn additional tokens on blockchains using a validation model with stake confirmation, or in liquidity pools that decentralized exchanges use to facilitate trading. Investors can get a little dizzy when looking at the annual percentage rate of return, or APY, of cryptocurrency investments across various platforms. Now, on Pancakeswap, there are currently 16 tokens available for placement in the network pools, with the pool with the highest bid volume, AutoCake, returning 72.7 APY. There are pools with even higher rewards. More than these options, probably the best thing about Binance's smart network is its liquidity. Pancakeswap boasts the largest number of daily users of any decentralized application and the fourth largest market volume. It has great wallet integration and supports popular wallets. Cake also has a very high daily volume, which is great news for an investor looking for a token to bet on. Getting in and out of Cake is easy. Not every cryptocurrency token can say this, even most of them cannot. But is there a way we can make money out of this? Well, there are many ways. First, coin holders can buy BEP2 Cake tokens directly from exchanges and store them, making a profit as prices rise. But its main beauty lies in the use of Binance Smart Chain Cake tokens, or BEP20. Users can switch between BEP2 and BEP20 Cake using a digital wallet. They are equivalent, except that BEP20 Cake allows the use of smart contracts, self-executing agreements that are triggered when certain conditions of use are met. This raises the second level of income. The user can connect their wallet and put the BEP20 Cake on Pancakeswap and earn over 60% per year in rewards. This can come from payments by other blockchain developers to list or advertise their tokens on Pancakeswap, Lottery Cake, Cake transaction verification fee, release of a new cake to stimulate adoption. However, don't anticipate that the profitability should consistently be this high, particularly when other blockchain engineers related to Cake have acquired sufficient prevalence to quit giving promoting rewards. Furthermore, the Cake or coin creation rate is around 100 million every year, contrasted with an all-out flow of around 221.8 million tokens. Thus, the rate of increase in supply is quite high, although higher than the rate of return. Imagine, for example, if the interest rate on US dollar deposits was 80% and the inflation rate was 50%. The adjusted yield in this case will be much lower than the nominal rate. That's that, but what's more is that users can also promise their cakes to offer liquidity to trade cryptocurrencies on Pancakeswap DEX, transforming themselves into market tokens with potential 3-digit percentage returns. The lower the trading volume for an asset, the greater the difference between the buy and sell prices, and the more you can earn in the form of potential commissions by providing liquidity. There are now 1,647 coins and 9,152 trading pairs registered on the Pancake platform, far more than the competition, which gives us a number of options to earn from. Last but not least, Pancakeswap smart contracts allow for automatic replenishment of the account. That is, each cake earned by the user can be returned to the stake pool, earning additional interest. This is similar to how bond investors can generate cumulative returns by reinvesting their coupon payments back into the underlying debt. With this setting, repeated cake exposure can result in yields of up to 83% instead of the usual 65% or so. Cake holders can make complex profits during bullish runs, but are not subject to complex sell-offs during bearish runs. However, in a worst-case scenario, investors could lose their principal cake. But with such high returns, there is a margin of safety as the passive income generated from staking can offset short-term market reversals. Hence, it is a reliable cryptocurrency to verify. Also, in February 2021, Pancakeswap added another element known as NFT profiles that permits clients to choose an NFT profile picture after buying one of the accessible NFT bunnies, which proves how Pancakeswap is growing into different markets. NFT is already a lucrative business, and for Pancakeswap, which is already shining in DeFi, could be the next big milestone to achieve. So that's it for the day, guys. We really hope that Pancake is here to stay. At least with rising gas fees and ETH 2.0 nowhere to be seen, there's no one that's going to challenge Pancakeswap. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments down below. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any updates. See you soon. Peace.